Alright guys, we're back at it again. Another repair video for you. I'm just going to pretty much bring you along of what I'm going to be doing. And that is the blower motor. Looks like it no longer working anymore. The other day, I was going down the road and it was just making a horrible noise. I was like, oh great, you know, blower motor's junk now, so that's just something else to repair and fix, because this truck just don't stop. It's constantly something. But you know, I got to look at it. The thing's set for 20 years, so you know, I can't keep complaining about it. It does run and drive great, so and I can't take it without AC, so that's problem has got to be fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it's doing before I fix it. Alright, so this is what it's doing. Turn the blower motor on.
Put your trust in us. Our certified technicians ensure.
Don't that just sound awful? Oh yeah, nice bearing noise. Yeah. Earlier it got so bad that I started smelling smoke and it was burning itself, so yeah, it's pretty much toast. Alright, so pretty much you're gonna have to remove the overflow tank, which there's two tins, one here, one on the bottom, and then there's one over here, and you just slide that out of the way. Then you're gonna need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7mm bolts that hold this guy on, and then you got the connection down here. Just pull that like that, lay that to the side, and then you got one ground wire and one of the studs that goes up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. So here's the part number. Continental, not a sponsor, by AutoZone, but it was like $22, $23 with taxes and all. You got a bunch of Chinese writing. I don't need that crap. Here's the blower motor. Continental. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's lifetime warranty. But see how it spins and then it stops. It has like little notches. This one's in really nice shape. So I'm really glad that this came with the new squirrel cage, because I didn't want to use the old one. I'm sure the old one looks horrible on the inside. We're about to find out. So that was probably pretty much made in Mexico, so that can't be stock. Oh yeah. Yeah. The bearings in that puppy's gone. So you can just toss that. I don't need that no more. Put the new one in the same way you took the old one out, and it's got a design of how it's supposed to go. However, there is some junk in there. Check that out. Okay. I'm going to make sure there's no leaves and stuff in there, because if there is, all it's going to do is make a noise the whole time that the blower motor's turned on. And you don't want that. Nobody wants that. And that just goes back in like it came out. Make sure you put the ground wire on the line that's in the same spot where it was before. There's actually slots, one there and one on this side that it lines up to, so you can't mix it up how it's supposed to go. Snug it down. You don't want to overdo it. This is plastic. You ruin the threads or you strip it, that's it. Just one more bolt. The rest. And I don't end up dropping it. And then you got to put the vent hose back on it. This is just to keep it cool while you have it turned on. That's all it's for. You can't mix that up either. It only goes on one way. Just like so. And you take your connection. There's a flat end inside of here where it's supposed to plug up. Be very gentle with that. I've actually broken one of these off because I didn't actually get it in there correctly. Haha! We have a good sounding, blowing blower motor, like what it's supposed to do. And that AC already feels great. What a luxury to have AC in your truck. I got to say, the other S10 is going to have to end up having put an AC in it because this heat is just too much. Today is 97 degrees Fahrenheit with 101 humidity. It is just screaming hot. I wish I had feel-o-vision because that AC is just so ice cold. This truck, when I got it, after it sat for 20 years, the AC didn't work. I added 3 cans of refrigerant and it kicked right on, and it's been doing fine ever since. I've not had an issue. Sounding great. Just gotta put the overflow tank back in its spot and put the 3 bolts back in it, and then it's done. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. And as always, smash that subscribe button and have the notification bell on so every time I upload, you get notified. Hope you like this content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Hope this helps out or any repairs of what you were needing. Thanks for watching.